Hi, a warm welcome to you. We are doing problems on trigonometric ratios. We have just learned about negative angles and also what happens if quadrant angles are added to a particular angle. Now this is the problem we have. Cos square 45 degrees plus cos square 135 plus cos square 225 plus cos square 315. So the first thing, when solving these problems, what you have to remember is, if the angle is not familiar to you, then try to convert it with respect to 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 270 degrees or 360 degrees, or convert it in the form of n pi by 2 plus or minus theta. Now if I look here, cos square 45, you know that cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So I'll just go ahead and say cos square 45 as it is. Then cos square 135, I can write it as 180 minus 45 plus, I can write cos square 225 as 180 plus 45 plus cos square 315, I can write it as 360 minus 45. So now 45 I know, but 180 minus theta, if theta equal to 45 degrees, this is of the form cos square theta plus cos square 180 minus theta plus cos square 180 plus theta plus cos square 360 minus theta. Now let us see. Now first thing is, we are squaring after finding out the values. So I don't worry about the sign, because if the sign is positive, when you square it, it becomes positive. If it is negative also, when I square it, it becomes positive. So I am not worried about the sign. Now, and you can see 180 is nothing but equal to even terms of pi by 2, because it is 2 into pi by 2. This is pi. That's also 2 into pi by 2. This is 2 pi. So it's nothing but 4 into pi by 2. So we know that if n equal to even, if n is even, we know that cos remains as cos. Cos will be cos. So this is nothing but equal to cos square 45 plus cos square 45 plus cos square 45 plus cos square 45. That is nothing but equal to 4 into cos square 45. We know that cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So this is 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square. That's equal to 4 into 1 by 2. That's equal to 2. So the idea of solving this problem is to understand how to convert the given angles with respect to the quadrant angles. So the trick in this particular problem is, once we see this 135, 225, 3615, we are able to relate that angle with respect to quadrant angles, such that you can see it in the form of cos square theta plus cos square 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Since we are squaring, we won't worry about the sign, and it is even n, that means cos will remain as cos, that is 4 cos square 45 equal to 2. In the next video, we'll solve some more problems. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.